do you scale a deployment to more replicas? Most developers overcomplicate this. Let's break down the 3 ways Kubernetes handles scaling, from quick fixes to production-ready automation. The fastest way is kubectl scale. You specify the deployment name and the target number of replicas with the replicas flag. For example, kubectl scale deployment my app replicas 5 instantly scales your deployment to 5 pods. This is perfect for quick testing or emergency scaling, but it's an imperative command, meaning the change isn't tracked in source control. The declarative approach is updating your deployment manifest. Open the YAML file, change the spec.replicas field to your desired count, then apply it with kubectl apply. This keeps your infrastructure as code and enables GitOps workflows. Alternatively, you can use kubectl edit deployment to modify the manifest directly in your terminal, though this skips version control benefits. For production workloads, use the Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, or HPA. It automatically scales your deployment based on metrics like CPU usage or custom metrics from your application. You define minimum and maximum replica counts and a target metric threshold. The HPA continuously monitors your pods and adjusts replicas to maintain your target. This is how you handle real-world traffic patterns without manual intervention. Here's the key concept. All scaling methods are declarative. When you set a replica count, you're declaring desired state. Kubernetes doesn't just execute the command and forget it. The control plane continuously reconciles the actual state with your desired state. If a pod crashes, Kubernetes recreates it. This reconciliation loop is what makes Kubernetes self-healing. Remember, kubectl scale for quick changes, manifest updates for GitOps, and HPA for production autoscaling. All 3 leverage Kubernetes declarative reconciliation. Practice this in Interview Mentor to nail your next DevOps interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.